So today we're going to see how long it takes for you to be able to play Ascend Hand of KUL from the start of choosing your game. Watch. It's just ridiculous. So still launching. Yeah. Microsoft Studios, huh? Yep. Yep. Skip. I press start. Just doing that crap. Just watch how long it takes. One of my favorite games, and they had to get sloppy, cheapskatey with it. Damn shame. I know the picture's not the best. Oh well. So it says it's searching for champions. Loading leaderboards, champions, 2 remaining. And watch how long it's gonna stay on this stupid ass little page. Just stuck at 2 remaining. Good God. It's been 3 minutes now since I pressed launch. I mean, why is this the only game that's having a problem? I've never heard of any games on Xbox having a problem with Xbox allowing you to have an update. Sounds fishy to me. Signal, you have a lot of money, especially with this game. I know a ton of people, including myself, purchased a ton of points, or souls, or whatever you want to call them. And you run off to the computer and use the funding for that? What kind of slap in the face is that? It's like a bitch slap. A bitch slap. 4 minutes. No update. Not even a free arena or nothing. Not even that extra part of the map that's been sitting there forever I've been waiting for. It's ridiculous. Laggy. 5 minutes, folks. 5 minutes. Six minutes. The fuck? About this time, it makes you want to just turn the shit off. Sorry, Signal. I like your guys' games, but that was ridiculous. 7 fucking minutes. You need to fix that shit.